Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Night. This is part 35 of our journey from 10k to 100k. Watch this episode from the start till the end to see how I catched a beautiful trade on Solana. And of course, join our Discord community where we share our analysis, chat, and help each other out. So see you in chats. So what has happened over the night? Fucking Bitcoin. Exactly like I spoke about it. I need a fucking flush. What's happening here? I will get to this, but yeah, about the Bitcoin, I talked about that I need a fucking flush, and then MB1, MB2, and fucking move. But it happened overnight, so yeah, nothing really to do there. It is what it is. So yeah, then US oil will be probably placing an order. MB1, MB2, US 30. I just placed an order, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, made MB to the upside, so that's good enough. And yeah, and here we have a flush. I will call this as the first MB, second MB, and hopefully it just keeps pushing. Yeah, the same thing goes for Euro stocks. MB1, MB2. Yeah, we'll see if we get tapped in. Italy. Yeah, it also starts to build that second MB. Yeah. Nasdaq. It also made an MB. That's great. So we are bullish, and that's all I want to see. But I don't have really MBs. Basically, this is the first MB, second MB, and this already is the third one. So yeah, I'll skip Nasdaq. DAX, nothing really to do. Japanese index, also nothing really to do. Yeah. But I think, yeah, probably if we make this MB like also on 2-day like this, then I'll start to follow it. Then it will have 2 MBs on upside on daily, and 2-day as well. We will have 1 MB. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. But yeah, Spain, nothing really at the moment. Flush down, so potentially a new MB. UK dropping down. Yeah, gold, nothing to do. We'll see where closes this candle. If it closes still somewhere here, I will not call this as a flush. Yeah. So still gold has potential for today. Let's say it starts to break up, starts to make first MB, and later on makes it the second one, then I will take it. But yeah, the same thing goes for this gold. Coffee, nothing. Copper, nothing. By the way, I deleted silver from my watch list. I just went through all the data that I have on silver, and really it doesn't deliver for me. Yeah, I have just 3 partials on it in my life. I haven't had a full day profit on it, so it just doesn't deliver. It's too choppy, and at the moment especially it's choppy. Like, yeah, so I deleted silver at the moment from the watch list. Actually, we could place on a Solana trade right now, to be honest with you, because it's valid. Yeah, I will place it. Solana. Like this. ATR is 1.26, so this will be fine. Something like this. So either you call basically this as the first MB, this as the second one, or this as the first one, second one, and on validation we have MB. So that's great. And yeah. It's which one? It's 1 MB. 1 MB. 1 MB. Yeah, beautiful. Making the third MB, so good potential, good potential. We'll see how it plays out. So yeah, actually, we have 3 orders at the moment. Eurostoxx, US30, Solana. So we'll see if they hit. What about US30? It's closing in. So yeah, I'll be back once something new happens. So we got tapped in Solana, and yeah, just waiting for that strength like always, so I can place my stop on a break even, and then 1 to 2, 1 to 4, etc. And yeah, US30 looks like we will be tapped in soon. And if we do, then I will cancel Eurostoxx unless one of the trades are on break even. So yeah, we'll see. Because I don't want to take 3 trades without the break even already placed. So yeah. Looks like it will be tapped in very soon. So we got tapped in. I will delete the Eurostoxx order because right now we have 2 positions without the break evens. I just don't want to take any more without the break even. So US30 is open. Yeah, so that's about it basically. US oil potentially as well. Building. So yeah, I'll be back when something new happens. God damn, looks like we are getting raped. In the fucking ass. In the ass. You're getting raped, boys. Feeling great. God damn. Bitch ass. Like. How can I turn this shit? You need some push, bro. Yeah, please. Please, Habibi. Please, Habibi. Fuck, man. Like, he tapped me in by a fucking one half a pip. God damn. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Solana as well, sitting at the entry basically, doing nothing. We need a big magnet, like big. We need everything, you know. We need a fucking fucking. Nah, but to be honest, it's something like this. So yeah. Fuck this. It doesn't look that great, brother. We are getting raped, but it's okay. It's okay, we like to be raped. That's what we do for every day. Market rape us, and we hope that next day will be better. That's how we live. And any other market, really nothing. US oil probably will place an order like this, but I have already 2 positions open without stop losses. With stop loss without the break evens. So that's a little bit sketchy. But yeah, I'll probably risk like 0.5 R, basically 2.5% on this trade. So yeah, I'll place an order right now. US oil.
US oil, brother. Oh, Habibi. Habibi, push the market down.
Or up. What is ATR? 0.32. Yeah, something like this. 2.5. That's 2.5. Placed an order.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah, I will not take this one, but I will leave the position. This is just already house US30 in Solana. Yeah, US30 really doesn't look that great. It looks fucking shit. Oh, chupapi. Yeah, so that's about it. We just need a big ass dick to the up and with the erection, and then we will be profitable. At the moment we are getting fucked from these points. Okay, that's enough. I'll be back when something new happens.
Yes, puppy. Oh.
So, what has happened in the last 2 hours? We were here and now we are here, so that's fucking beautiful. The magnet strategy worked, and yeah. So now I'm risk free on US30. And risk free on Solana as well. Solana. So that's beautiful. And yeah, so next is 1 to 2. For US30, the same thing. Yeah, and then nothing really sets up anymore. Like, yeah, I could have taken actually this. In the morning I thought that this is first and this is second, but I could have called this as the first one and then this one as the second one, but okay, it is what it is. Yeah, so that's about it right now. Eurostock still is at full risk, but I risked 0.5 or because at that point when I took the entry, US30 and Solana was not on break even, so yeah. So for now, that's basically it. There's nothing really more, and I'll be back once we have something new. So yeah. Actually, let's take a look at gold. Yeah, so gold looks nice if you do this and this. And for this gold, this one not so much. If you break like this in 12 minutes and the candle closes here, then I will call this as a flush and wait for new MBs, pauses, and go. So we'll see. It has 12 more minutes to do what it wants to do. So yeah, just some time ago actually, but placed a stop on a break even on Euro stocks. So that's great. So we are risk free in all of the positions. US30 hopefully soon will hit our partial. Actually, not so soon. Like we have still a long way, I would say. But Solana actually looks pretty nice. Last push, and we will hit it. So yeah, that's great. Then US oil is pulling back, but still I would say it's valid. This candle still needs 5 hours. I mean, this candle will still be open 5 hours, so if it pushes to somewhere here, then probably I will skip it, because it will not respect the EMAs, and I don't like that really, so yeah. On entry time frame, of course, there's nothing really, but if it does something like this, then I'll take it. Bitcoin is pushing, the same as Solana, nothing to do. Italy, yeah, this wasn't an MB for me, so yeah, it's just pushing, so nothing really to do. Nasdaq the same thing, DAX pushing, Japanese index pushing as well. probably should have. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so nothing really, to be honest with you. Spain is doing nothing really. Just need that double MB. At the moment, nothing. Yeah. UK, nothing really. Gold. Yeah, this candle closed, so this is a flush for me, 100%. Let's take a look at the other gold. This actually is still valid. So I will not take trades on this gold. I need, again, MB, pause, and keep going, because this is a flush for me, unfortunately. I want to follow gold, really, but if it flushed, so there's nothing I could do. But this gold actually looks fine, so I will be taking it if the opportunities present themselves. Basically, oops, and that's it. That's all I need. So I'll place it right here. US oil is not in. Let's place an alert for oil so we know that we start to break down. And basically that's about it. Then Ethereum is looking very nice. It has made second MB to the bullish side, so I'll be starting to look for entries also on Ethereum. So all this is cancelled, all this bearish trend, and at the moment I would say we are entering new bullish cycle for Ethereum and just looking for targeting all-time highs wherever they are. I don't know. These are all-time highs. Looks like, I don't know, but for me at the moment all this is liquidity. All this is places where people want to sell, mitigate some kind of supply zones, mitigate some kind of supply zones to sell, and what we will do, eventually we'll do this, and that's about it. Of course, it doesn't mean anything, but long term, I would say 2K per Bitcoin is even good investment for long term. Like, yeah, but I think that from the technical side, we are looking great, and looking at the economic side, that Trump next week will have a meeting with China in Switzerland about the tariffs, so probably we'll have some deal soon, and yeah, that will just push market up, and that's just great. So yeah, US30 is pushing, which is great to see. Yeah, so I'll be back. We have huge, basically our floating profit right now is 80. Oh, sorry, our floating profit is 8k, 8.5k, which is fucking crazy. Yeah, but yeah, basically that's about it for now, and I'll be back later. So what's up? I took a fucking huge nap, and yeah, so what happened, unfortunately, US30 stopped us out to break even, Eurostock stopped us out to break even, and Solana still in a trade. I took a partial right here, and we hit 1 to 2, and that's about it. So yeah, got profit from Solana, and now just waiting for full take profit at 1 to 4, and that's literally it. Yeah, that's unfortunate that we didn't get any profits from US30 or Euro stocks, but it is what it is. What's up? Wow, we got fucking huge volume through the liquidity. Huge movement on Solana. So hopefully we can close the trade soon. And yeah. Then quickly looking at other markets, nothing really has happened. It's like 20 minutes later. And yeah, but markets are dropping. Looks like I will not be able to take gold. I still need 8 more minutes for this candle to stay below this week, so we'll see if that happens. But Solana is pushing really hard right now, which would be very nice if we take full take profit in Solana. It would be, let's see how much we would be up on this specific trade. So we partialed 2.5k, and it would be 6k it would be. So hopefully it runs to the highs. And hopefully this gives us entry. Yeah, so I'll be back once we hit take profit or we get into this trade. So we got full take profit on Solana, which is fantastic, and yeah, so right now sitting at 71k. That's good. And this gold didn't give us anything. I deleted the order because it looks like we will not get a trade. It starts to not respect the EMAs. If this candle closes somewhere here, then I will cancel it. I would like to take trades when market respects the EMAs, or market respects the EMAs, or market respects the EMAs. That's when I want to be involved in a trend. Market respects the EMAs. Or probably, to be honest with you, I didn't see Bitcoin in the morning like this, first MB and this potentially second MB. I just didn't see it as an entry at all. And yeah, but probably should have taken it, but I didn't see it. So it is what it is, you know. But yeah, so anyways, like I said, I want to see market respecting the EMAs. If it does this, that's not when I want to be involved, or this. I want to be involved in these moments. So yeah, probably will be skipping this one. Even if it gets even bigger, the stop loss, then 100% will skip that entry. Then quickly looking at US market, yeah, this piece of shit stopped us out at break even, as we remember, but still it's valid. I don't see why wouldn't I take it. Basically, if we have flush, we have first MB or first MB in here. If we build another MB, I will take an entry. And yeah, the same thing goes for Nasdaq. Nasdaq as well had its flush MB or this MB, building the second one, and I will take it, but I need at least 1 hour for this candle to stay here. Maybe another candle to build that MB and then take it higher, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, but crypto market is pumping. Look at fucking Ethereum. We have so much upside potential on Ethereum. It's fucking crazy. So crazy. We have so, like, really so much upside potential. We can have such a big and beautiful run. Like, yeah, I know people hate Ethereum for whatever reasons, but for myself, I don't give a fuck about the asset in fundamental side. If it gives good context, I will take it. If it's not chopping and showing good context, showing good volatility, showing good momentum, I will fucking take it. It looks nice. And we have beautiful targets, beautiful liquidity here. It's a cloud of liquidity, if you want to call it like that. We can have this kind of a run. And if we have this kind of a run, then oh man, there is such a beautiful structure inside here, inside here, inside here, inside here, inside here, to take many RR out of this market. So yeah, the same thing goes for Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin just has made second MB on, third MB on context, or we can say second MB actually, because right now it's more clearer and we can see the first MB clearly, and this is the second one. You can call it whatever you want, but we have so much upside potential to 200k or whatever is the price Bitcoin wants to go. So yeah, the same thing goes for these markets. So yeah, we have good summer ahead of us. The market will close in 2 minutes, so I'm done for the day. And yeah, basically I was looking at Nasdaq right here, but it didn't tap the entry, so setup is cancelled. But for tomorrow, again, the same thing. US30 as well, I was looking at it, basically first MB, second MB, but it didn't have the entry, so nothing here as well. And yeah, that's about it. So today we got 1 full take profit, 2 break evens, and yeah. So with that being said, that's it for today, and see you all tomorrow. Bye.